My name is Timothy Rodriguez, and I'm a concept artist in the film industry and video game industry. My job as a concept artist is to envision the director's idea, which is, sometimes designing environments, a vehicle, or characters, which are going to be used in the film later on. I'm from La Rochelle in France. I studied a couple of years in graphic design, and after that I moved to Paris and did a bit of freelance work, and eventually I started working for Industrial Light and Magic. So I think as a concept artist, big challenges for me are to stay creative and also a PC that's powerful enough so I can make a lot of renders quickly. So collaborating with ASUS ProArt allows me to use industry standard equipment. So color is really important to me, and what I love about this monitor is that first it's very sharp, so you're gonna have lots of details, and it comes pre-calibrated, so I can plug in the two and the colors are gonna match. On this one I can also change the color profile, which allows me to work on different projects. So what I love about this laptop is that it's using a Quadro RTX GPU, so basically it makes way faster renders in a matter of minutes, and in this case you can see it's almost real time. And so in a day I can save hours of time, and it has 48 gigabytes of RAM, which allows me to jump back and forth between different tasks. This is a really compact laptop, which is ideal if I want to go in a meeting and show to a client. So obviously it's a great feeling when the client or a director approves your design, because you've put so much work into it, that actually having it on the big screen in the end is quite rewarding. My advice for future creators would be, to get out there, see the world for yourself, have a feel for color, for light, patterns in nature, and just to find something that resonates with you, something that makes you want to create. I'm Timothy Rodriguez, I'm a concept artist, and if you're a creator, create with ASUS ProArt.